This is LuxDMX, an open source gateway that turns ArtNet or sACN into real DMX 5.12 built on a $5 ESP32. Across the top sits a live health readout, the DMX refresh rate, Wi-Fi signal, free memory, uptime, and timing jitter, all updating in real time, so one glance tells you the gateway is healthy. But it's more than a node. Open it in any browser and you see all 512 channels live. So you finally know exactly what your console is sending. Click any channel to take control. Name your fixtures here. Front wash left, and the label follows them through the grid and the change log. Grab the slider to fade a channel by hand. Straight from the browser. No console required. Snap to 0, half, or full, and hit Identify to flash a fixture for a moment so you can find it on a crowded truss in seconds. One click blacks everything out while LuxDMX keeps refreshing at 40 Hz so the output never flickers. Below the grid, LuxDMX keeps watch. Active senders shows every source on the wire, ArtNet or sACN with its frame rate, and the changelog records exactly which channels moved, when and from which console. Everything is configurable from the browser. No recompiling, no reflashing. Take in ArtNet, sACN, also known as E1.31, or both at once. And if two consoles ever fight over a universe, LuxDMX warns you the instant it happens or blends them on purpose with HTTP or LTP merging. It drives up to two independent, galvanically isolated DMX universes, each on its own output. And you don't have to guess at GPIO numbers. The visual pin picker shows your actual board, so you just point at a pad to assign it, and it keeps you clear of the pins you shouldn't touch. Run it over Wi-Fi, wired Ethernet, or its own standalone access point on DHCP or a fixed address, whatever your show network needs. On wired, you choose the Ethernet hardware, AW55500 over SPI, or the ESP32's built-in MAC with a LAN 8720 and more. Set the pins and you're on the wire. A status indicator, a single LED, an RGB pixel, or the 5 LED panel on the custom board shows link and DMX state at a glance. There is an optional OLED display too. Give it a host name, enrich it by name, anywhere on your network. Updates are over the air, pick any release or let it update itself. Firmware schematics and PCB are all open source, MIT licensed. And if you ever need a clean slate, one guarded switch resets the network. LuxDMX, build it on a breadboard for a few dollars, or fabricate the open hardware board, then flash it straight from your browser. The link is in the description.